Alright, we're right in the middle of the world of concrete. If they make it for construction, it's here. People from all over the world, companies from all over the world, contractors. This place has got everything, the newest inventions, the latest innovations, stuff that makes your work 10 times easier. This is a great place. I always wanted to come here. This is cool. Let's check it out and see what they got. Alright, Cam, scoot over, man. Alright.
What up, Jerry?
We just got done looking at the world of concrete, a little bit of block laying competition. What do you think?
Son, there's some impressive masons out there.
They're impressive, but we don't have any on our jobs. That's a problem.
We know, it's problems.
What do you think about the show overall, 3 days?
It's good. There's some pretty neat stuff out there.
Good stuff, good stuff.
Some new technological advancements.
My thing is, if you can't find it here, they probably don't make it.
No.
They come from all over the world here. World Concrete 2018.
Learned a lot in Vegas.
Learned a lot in Vegas.
Learned a little bit at the convention and a lot elsewhere.
That's right. Big Dog Movies. Peace out.